Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add money to PayPal balance from your credit card. Now it's extremely easy process. So what you have to do is firstly go to your browser, then open your PayPal. Now wait for a few seconds and log into your PayPal account. Now just simply go to my PayPal right over here. After that, wait for a few seconds. And then once you will be inside your main page, you will have the option of add money right over here. Now just simply click on that option and you will be able to add money directly from your bank account. But for doing that, you will need to have a linked bank account with your PayPal account. So just simply go to pay and get paid, then bank and cards. Over here, just simply scroll down and you should link a credit card right over here. As you can see, my credit card is already linked right over here. Now, if I click on add money, the charge will be directly deducted from this card over here. But if you don't have any type of card attached over here, the action will be failed. So the main thing that you have to do is just simply link a card over here. So enter all the details, the security code and all of that, then click on link card. Once you will do that, the card will be linked, and then when you will click on add money, you will be able to add money directly from that card. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.